Hello, my name is James and I teach A-Level 3D Design here at Ashton Sixth Form College. 3D Design consists of architecture, automotive design, product and gaming, ceramics and jewellery, costume and armour, sculpture and concept art, and prop design. It's a multidiscipline subject, encourages you to come up with fresh ideas using different types of media. One of our pathways is architecture, where you're taught different types of architecture and architecture in the wider context. The three-dimensional skills to produce architectural drawings, rendering skills, traditional sketching skills, and sketchbook design, marker rendering, and model making. Products and vehicle design looks at products in a wider context, how they're developed, how they're presented to a more modern audience and a contemporary audience, how you design, communicate your ideas, how you conceptualize them, and how you make them in 3D. Transportation design develops your design beyond just cars into different types of transportational models, such as bicycles, roller skates, skateboards, buses, trains, planes, and everything in between. We teach different methods of drawing, such as digital painting and 3D modelling. Craft, armour and jewellery and ceramics is a mixture of different disciplines that teach you workshop skills, material literacy, and ways you can integrate these skills in a wider context. Often, craft design students make excellent architects, car designers, product designers, and vice versa. We teach a lot of metalwork in our metalwork studio, using materials such as steel and aluminium and copper, enamelling, engraving, and everything else in between. We teach armour design and armour construction. We teach concept art, game art, and computer-aided design through concept boards and digital painting tutorials, character design and how to work that into 3D using Sculptress, concept art using Blender, and using a combination of the two, such as Twilight and Sculptress. Right, that's it for my explanation of 3D design, but I've got a little task for you. This task is called New Design from Old, and it's basically your opportunity to take something ordinary from your life, such as a kettle, a chair, a vehicle, your garden, your game console, or maybe an object from a film or game, and completely redesign it to make it maybe more pleasant to look at, or nicer to handle, or more ergonomic. You could make it more accessible, or you could make it more interesting in a way that I haven't asked you to. You can make it any way you like, as long as you make it different from the original design. You have to improve it in some way. What I'd like you to do is to photograph the thing you want to design, write a couple of sentences explaining why you want to design it, find some designers and artists online that you think will help you redesign it. Create me a design sheet, which I'll show you in a second, and then create a second design sheet, what we call a presentational design sheet at the end. So this is what we're aiming for, a presentational design sheet. A nice big picture of what you've redesigned. And this will go along with your concept design sheet, where it's all the ideas you had before you came up with your final design. This can be done in any media. It can be pencil, pen, Lego, a 3D model. It can be done in SketchUp if you like. You can do it in any software package you like. There is no right or wrong way to do this. It's meant to be fun. It's meant to be engaging you in the world of design, and I wish you all the best of luck with it. Thank you.